Welcome back to Tree Pounder Nation. Today we're going to be fishing on a grassy lake, lots of lily pads, lots of grass. We're going to be throwing some Senkos, we're going to be throwing some topwaters. So enjoy the video. Can't wait to see what you think. Out here on a kayak today. Decided to take the boat out. We got out here a little late, so see what we can make happen. First cast.
Alright, y'all. Decided to take the kayaks tonight. Out tonight. Holy gnats, Chase. Yeah, they're all over the kayak.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs out here, and Noah's not a big fan of bugs, I will say.
Chase, I just dropped them in the water.
No, not the Ray-Bans.
They're Oakleys.
Oakleys, not the Jersey Mike's Oakleys.
What sucks about kayaks, you can't tell, I'm a pretty tall person. I'm 6 feet tall, and my legs are crammed in here. Like, I need to get like some special kayaks. Like, I know I'm not that tall compared to some people that are probably watching this, but it's a bit rough sometimes. Like, there's not a lot of space in here. And as soon as I got in the water, I dropped my Oakleys in the water. Got them out because I'm quick. But that could have been really unfortunate.
Oh, thought that was a fish. Seems to be a log. And we got it out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. You wanna put him on the scale?
Yeah.
All right.
Yo, a 248.
248. That's a good fish right there.
248 right here. Pretty solid fish. Gonna throw her back. Thank you. Dude, I don't know where I left my drinks, so they're not in here. Whoopsie.
You left them in the car.
Yeah.
Oh,
Did you get one? Atta boy.
He's not big at all, and he probably swallowed the hook, I'm not even gonna lie. But
Hey, it's a fish is a fish.
there's one right there. Get a good look at him. Gonna try to get this hook out off camera. All right, guys, we got him unhooked. One last look. He's going back. Oh my Lord, he jumped all over the place. All right, guys, well, not as big as Noah's, but I'll take it. Fish is a fish right now. I feel like bluegill fishing could be pretty decent back here. But I don't know. Where's your worm at? Okay.
Two in. And let's go back to the creek spot because I really think that spot will hit today.
What spot? Back there?
Yeah, where
Yeah.
I caught that fish.
Yeah, let's get back there. It's probably gonna be grassed over, but
Hey, we can at least see what it is.
yeah. All right, we're getting back here, boys. You're getting back here. Oh, wow, it's pretty shallow here now. Oh,
What?
I just went over a rock or a snapping turtle. Oh, I did it again. It's not like... Oh, it's a log? Okay.
Oh.
Hey, we're not playing bumper boats here, Noah.
Bumper boat? I'm just practicing my driving skills. It's pretty deep out here.
Oh my. Alright, once you get over that log, you'll be fine. Alright, kayaked all the way back in this little creek here. See if it was worth it. Noah has high hopes. We'll see what happens.
Whoa, behind.
Oh my gosh, Noah, you are so right. Oh my gosh. First cast back here.
I knew it!
Come here. Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is great.
There we go, guys. And fish number 2 for me. Worst part about kayak fishing, trying to find the best possible way to get the fish off the hook. There we go, guys. One last look. I'm gonna say probably a pound. Nothing too crazy, but first cast back here in this little creek, and we caught one. Let's release him here.
It's very shallow back here.
There he goes. Oh, it's getting pretty shallow now. Alrighty, let's head back out of here. Do you have one? You want to head out of here? Yeah. We kind of riled everything up pretty quickly. Hey Noah, stand on the bow and do the aura dance. I didn't get you wet. We're hightailing it out here. I want to have time to fish some other places. Bro, literally cutting up through lily pads. All right, guys, we're heading back in. That was a pretty good trip out on this grassy little part of the lake. So, see you back at the house. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you also learned a thing or two about fishing the grassy lakes. Try to get back into some creeks and everything. So hope you enjoyed that. Catch you on the next video. You can check out some more videos of us on our Instagram and YouTube Shorts.